has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Meriwether County in west central Georgia, southwestern Pike County in west central Georgia, northwestern Upson County in west central Georgia, north central Talbot County in west central Georgia, until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Crest, or 8 miles northwest of Thomaston, moving west at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Thomaston, Manchester, Woodbury, Molina, Sunset Village, Spruce Bluff State Park, Crest, Sunnyside, Atwater, Lipsey Springs, Hannah's Mill, and Imlay. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634.